Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restorations. Before we get started, if you like my videos, think about hitting that subscribe button. Today we're doing the Hot Wheels greased Gremlin. Kind of play worn, decals are all gone, although I won't be adding any till a much later date when I can afford to buy my own printer. As usual, I drilled the post and tapped and got it ready for the 256 button head screw. Kind of a simple die cast, only 4 pieces altogether. The axles were all messed up on it, so I took the time to cut out the little crimp at the back and the front that held the axles in. Then I had to go back and use my cutoff wheel because the wires wouldn't pull through. They were held in there as if they were never meant to come out. But you know, in the hobby world of the die-cast restorer, they'll always come out. The only thing I changed on this restoration was that god-awful ugly yellow base color. Into the stripper. No, no. Yes, yes. There goes that ugly yellow. Had a lot of gobbledygook on these, so I went right into the mineral spirits and let them soak a little while. And I've wire brushed them. Wire wheeled it, then hit it with my Scotch-Brite. And although I don't show it, I dipped them again in the mineral spirit. Here we are with our primer, the Krylon Gray. After that came out of the oven and cooled, I got the red going. I had to back off after the first coat because the fan kept blowing it. But I came back later and put a couple more coats on it. Into the oven, bake for 15 minutes. I lost the footage of making the new axle tubes. Here we are scrubbing up the only 2 plastic pieces. There's no windshield in this. Little hot soap and water. Camera kept readjusting itself there. Chrome was dirty and had yellowed, so I touched that up later. Here I am touching up the chrome on the original wheels. With my Molotov chrome pin. Here's all the pieces ready for reassembly. Here's a look back at where we started. Paint was chipped. The spoiler on top was a little bent. I had to straighten that out. Decals were pretty much completely gone. And that god-awful yellow base. Here's what we ended up with. I went with sort of a gunmetal base, and then I chromed the front and rear bumpers on it. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. For now, this is Opaw, rolling off into the sunset. If we can figure out where the sunset is. Goodbye.